There I am pretending like I'm a tree cowboy. This hat don't mean nothing, man. I don't know what I'm doing out here. I'm just trying to make it happen. is an update on the semi-raised beds. And I got this thing going called bio ribbons, where I put in mulch and old grass, food scraps, anything organic inside the holes of the bricks, and then I want that to absorb into the ground and become nutrients for the plants. Here are my tomatoes. I probably need to water these guys some more, which I'll do later. But I planted the tomato seedlings in here, and hopefully they'll take off. Look a little bit early right now. Maybe I planted them too soon, but I'll figure all that out. Yes, sir. Nope. I purposely didn't have them do any kind of electrical or boxes or anything because I didn't want you to have to worry about it. So even that water thing, I mean, anything here can be hit. All of it can be, you're not going to damage anything. I mean, if you can avoid it because it's a nice slab, but if it gets hit and it gets broke or something, so be it. I'd rather not, but if it's out of your control, so be it. Yeah, try to save it if you can. I'm sure it cost me a couple $1,000 to reproduce that. I'll move this barrel out of the way though. I didn't realize that was you. No, I got close. How you doing, brother?
Doing good.
Nice to see you. You been doing good?
Yeah.
All right. Staying away from the COVID. That would hurt. So this is a tree guy doing what he does. This tree was a definite threat. It had to go. This guy is a threat to anything that I build here, so it's got to go. And then the one way back there is not really a threat, but it's just kind of overgrown and it needs to get out of here. So a little at a time. Boy, what a tree this is. There goes Gray Sky returning home with its low battery. Look at that, right in the circle. Jeez, beautiful. Did that on its own. So we're gonna change out the filter and put on a new battery, and back up we go. Tell you one thing, when you hire one of those tree services, it costs a fortune. Luckily, this brother in the faith, he only charged me $50 an hour to go up there and do that, which is, I'm glad to pay it, trust me. And then with Scoop Doggy Dog over here, it can definitely help pick up a lot of the branches and, move stuff around. That's my neighbor over there. So, that saves a lot of money, and it's just kind of fun, really. I have a hydraulic tripper that I've only hooked up once I need to probably use, but since I can burn stuff here without really getting any trouble or, issue, it's just not really worth it hooking up the chipper. Then I have to buy blades and sharpen them, and, I can get all the mulch I want, at least for now. It's not really much incentive to hook up the chipper. So anyway, we're going to get these trees knocked down and then do some other work around here. But let's get this area cleared out so I can use it or do something with it. So this job is too big for my little rechargeable chainsaw. So I'm gonna try to resurrect this chainsaw, which is a real bona fide chainsaw, but it doesn't have spark, I don't think. I've tried to mess with it. So I'm gonna replace this coil here, and hopefully I can get it to start so I can cut up some wood. Bought me a little wrench here that helps adjust everything. These come in handy. I don't know what happened to my old one. Did a new one of these coil packs for the spark plug. So hopefully that'll get this thing running, and I also got another chain for it, fresh chain. See if we can get this thing cut. I've tried everything I can. It just ain't gonna start, so I have to get rid of this thing. I'm gonna use my DeWalt cordless and just keep charging batteries, I guess. That one over there was a silver maple. I'm not sure what this one was. Whatever it is, it's dead. Of course, the rain's coming. You spun it through the handle, brother? Come up, top off the bar oil. Never want to get these backwards, that's for sure. Still looks pretty good, so we'll leave that alone. Pretty much finished for today. I'm going to get busy here myself and knock out a lot of these trees. It's already been cut down.